Ahead of the Bihar elections, the face-off over Waqf has escalated. The Bharatiya Janata Party went all out in its attack against the Rashtriya Janata Dal leader Tejasvi Yadav after he vowed to throw the Waqf Act into the dustbin if the Mahagathbandhan is voted to power in the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections. Now, tearing into the rival India bloc, which also includes the RJD, BJP Rajya Sabha MP Sudhanshu Trivedi pointedly criticized socialist parties, accusing them of not standing up for the rights of the poor and oppressed Muslims. In a press conference, he said that parties like RJD and Samajwadi Party, who are wearing the garb of socialism, are not standing up for the rights of the poor and the oppressed Muslims. Therefore, the socialism of RJD and SP cannot be called socialism at all, and that it will not be an exaggeration if it is instead called Namazwad.
इंडी गठबंधन के बिहार के नेता तेजस्वी यादव ने कहा कि हम संसद से पारित एक कानून को कूड़ेदान में फेंक देंगे। यह बहुत गंभीर विषय है, जबकि वह भारत की संसद के दोनों सदनों से पारित है। वोट बैंक की चाहत में जो कुछ बोला गया है तेजस्वी यादव और इंडी गठबंधन के अन्य नेताओं के द्वारा, उससे साफ है कि यह संविधान को कूड़ेदान में फेंकने की 50 साल पुरानी मानसिकता से बाहर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं। भारत की पार्लियामेंट ने शरिया को संविधान से ऊपर कर दिया। मैं चुनौती से पूछता हूं, दुनिया में कोई एक देश बताइए जो सेकुलर देश जहां शरिया संविधान से ऊपर हो। इसलिए अगर इनकी कभी भी सत्ता आती है, और आज देखिए ये सत्ता के बाहर है, तो भी शरिया के प्रावधानों को लागू करने की बात करते हैं। ना कोर्ट को मानने को तैयार, ना संसद को मानने को तैयार। जो हम चाहते हैं हर गरीब और मजलूम को उसका हिस्सा मिलना चाहिए, मगर ये किसके साथ खड़े हैं? जो ट्रिपल तलाक के साथ खड़ा है, जो हलाला के साथ खड़ा है, जो मेहरम के साथ खड़ा है, जो हज सब्सिडी के साथ खड़ा है, जो सरतन से जुदा के साथ खड़ा है, जो आतंकियों को अपना भाई, बहन, बेटा, हाफिज बनाने के साथ खड़ा है। इसलिए हम साफ कह सकते हैं कि हम समाजवाद के पक्ष में भाजपा और जदयू खड़ा है, और आज के ये राजद और समाजवादी पार्टी जैसे दल नमाजवाद के पक्ष में जाकर खड़े हो गए और नमाज जैसे मुकद्दस अकीदे का भी मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, उसका भी केवल सियासत के लिए प्रयोग कर रहे हैं।
All right, my colleagues Pragya and Mohit join me on the broadcast. Pragya, the BJP, of course, hitting out at the opposition India bloc for what they have been saying on the Waqf law, as well as, of course, the kind of statements that were made by Tejasvi Yadav at that particular rally.
Well, you're absolutely right, and they should be seen in the context of the elections that are going to be held in, Bihar. And having said that, there is a statement that has come from Tejasvi Yadav, but what does it actually mean? When you say that you are going to throw Waqf in dustbin, what does it actually mean? Is being elaborated and explained by none other than BJP leader Sudhanshu Trivedi. Now, BJP is also alleging that when you say you will throw Waqf, that means that you are not standing up for the socialism on which you have already come into the power once in the state. This is not the socialism of Karpuri Thakur, this is not the socialism of Ram Manohar Lohia, but this is your own socialism, which is equivalent to the appeasement. And appeasement for whom? Appeasement for a community which is Muslim, because you also know that there is a vote bank on which you have already come into the power once in the state, and you always appeal to one particular vote bank, and this statement also comes from that. This has been explained by the BJP in detail, and not just that. BJP is also making a very strong point when you say that you will throw a legitimately passed by the parliament a law into the dustbin. That also means that you are disrespecting constitution and thereby disrespecting Dr. Baba Sahab Ambedkar. You will also take away reservation of OBC, SC and ST, which means that BJP is now attacking the RJD, and also the India ally partner in Bihar election is going to take on them on issue of reservation, and not just that, also asking Dalits to see what these India alliance partners are standing up for.
Absolutely. Mohit, what's also unfortunate is to cater to your vote bank right ahead of the state assembly elections. You are completely disregarding the constitution. You're completely disregarding what has been passed legally and constitutionally.
Well, in fact, that is why we see that BJP has come out all raising, and they're attacking the India Bloc party, specifically Congress and the RJD, saying that on one hand, the Congress party or the RJD, they talk about constitution, they talk about how they are supporting the cause of the backwards, and how the BJP, they allege, has been attacking the rights of the OBC, SC and STs, but in fact, it's the Congress and the RJD and the Samajwadi Party, BJP, says that have always denied rights to the backward classes, and perhaps that is why they want the country should run by Sharia when they come out.
All right, Mohit and Pragya, I'll come back to you. We're getting in a big breaking news at the moment. The